Kublaya pi baro kiba pet yakini ko kubor upet ngo cable news. Kimat makong san menta kata yo kilong. Lum jingalang katanat district council affairs bat ki district council bamla pentre kam ya ka scheme hakija ka sor. Batak sarkar ya ki deputy commissioner ban kam ya ki nong Bangladesh bawan rung bean ong uba prestun tensong. Hapadang ulap ba nyom umentri rang ba ban kmi ya ka jinglong jingman hayo tu. Kejingkang ya ka kerdop ka KHEDC kadai babut ya ka an bomburam ya ka district council ong deputy commissioner. Kam ki pulit ya arngut ki barjala halor kejing keno lumpisa bat kular thok ban penyok kam spai. Haki hek kesokar pedeng penpau ki kenhuan ke skul bat nihu bam kwasyu ban wan phaibyang Profesor PS Shukla ha ke skul ba. Bat hakawat ke Benengkong, yok ke Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital, Shiklur Tingka, na ke Sarkar Jilla. Ban yala ban weng ya ke jing ke bamat de ke lai tali ke District Council ke Jilla, halor ke jing bamla ban pentre kami ke scheme jangka 15th Finance Commission haki jakasor, haki sihat majai jangka tayo katanat District Council Affairs ke Jilla kala lum ya ke jingalang, ban shem kia ya ke tay ke jing
Ya kini kejingalang lum du sembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Pak Preston Tensong ubah kemiru ya keterangan District Council Affairs hagabai ke kenhuan jong Gentia Hills Autonomous District Council dalam do CEM ubah Thombor Shiwan ya ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council dalam do CEM Albino Shmarak nrai CEM ke KHEDC ubah Shembor Renja Shemlawan Poi bad wan pat ban mi kemat da executive member ubah Powells Auckland Balai don langru ki officer sarkar na ketenat District Council Affairs bat ketenat penroisor. Habai keren bikin orang patai kubor hadin belawai ke Jingelang Pak Preston Tensong ulong ba ke Jingelang kala Megarai ban penkamti ha ketenat penroisor ban wat kilat gilenti ban penti kena bagi constituency jangki District Council ki bahap ha ki jakasor. Kini ban pentri kam ya ke tight bat untight grant jangka Finance Commission ke bakatsan. Ubah Preston Tensong loong bagi kelompok upor AA nrela betapat badai ban le kloy kakam kenang banyok ban pentri kam no igi skim jangka Finance Commission ke bakatsan ke ban kod ubnai leber jangka Serambanwan. Ulong bagani ke jeng kelami ke daitang namar bagi sarkar pedang gelapan mi ke portal bala pentri kam online no ke skim. Dari kisnem ke belalet ke dai ke bala pentri kam offline namar ba kam padon ha ke portal.
Pi minta kadon pa ka problem namar ba kadika online ki portal kala create la ka jong ka portal pi mensua habang padon ya kanika kam padon kanika portal kai bajia kolong ba ki don ki scheme ki balamang kerpang menda ki discouncil subu no minta la sanction kerpang ya ki 1000 tengka te kum ka ke chizi kemur ki sampar ki MDC bro arkun naigun temut kilayo ban implement klem yak sim yaka urban lane ka rural ten ring ong pi anik la create ya ka portal pada menta kam ya chu kumta katu ka portal kam accept lada ke yo I ba kam don hakalis jong ka rural area kam accept dehang ta ba mi ka issue ka bangihap ban kren ka betaka urban batka rural namar ba ka along no penban ko deprive ye ki bapli ki MDC ki ba job hapo ki urban area
kalau teligi konstitusi
ya mentangam la ban ong kanut li in detail then ray kidon menta kum hatura kidon around 3-4 menta hapo kum hapo Shillong ngatai kidon kum 5-6 nata hajuai kidon kum ta 4-5 plane kita ki
urban constituencies
we are talking about urban but I please don't take it as final because as I said to you it must be like that only they must be happening around 3-4 in July again here in Shillong maybe 5-6 like that and then even in Tura they have around 4-5 like that. But all the three district council they came. Of course the CM of KGZ he sent no leader representative, 3 or 4 active members they present there along with the officers.
Sembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejala ubah kemiru ya katanat ke kampo ing ha Kejala ubah Preston Tensong ha sehat majai ulong bak sarkar Jala kala betha ya barok kibor penyat district bak in penlong ya kejeng kendra bat ban kem ya kinong Bangladesh bat ki Rohingya ki bawan sa bean hapo kane Kejala.
Habai keren bagi nong patai kubor ubah Preston Tensong ulong bakila sedang ya kekam bakila dak betha ya barok ki Deputy Commissioner bakin kendra ki nugu jaka Kiba ki suba ni yo jingtip bat deiru ban kem mardor kinong Bangladesh ne ki Rohingya kibuan sa abean hagane kejela. Ke sarkar jela kelashe mene ke senjam halo ke jing betha jong tenat Home Affairs jong ke sarkar pedeng babarok ke jela ki dibentau ya ki Special Task Force haman nagi distrik ban khandra ban kem ya ki nong Bangladesh bat ki Rohingya kibuan sa abean hagane keri. Halor ke jing yo ke jing betha bentau ke Special Task Force Uba Preston Tun Song ulang baka jelak la dan lupai ke District Task Force bala da benchet bagi day ban pet ngor ki brio ki bawan chak ni ke jela bat ki basa ki district kumbala kedau ha ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act arhajar ka nril.
Yes, we are on the job. We have already given the direction to all the district commission, all the deputy commissioners to crack down wherever they suspect or wherever they receive inputs that they should be arrested immediately.
Sir, whether task force is being formed?
A task force of what? Task force we do already. See, if you talk about the district task force, that we already have. The district task force about this finding out people who comes to the state, who stays in different district. That district task force is already there under the MRSSA Act, which was passed then, and even this district task force is operationalized, and we do have this district task force. But as far as the illegal foreign migration is concerned, we already directed all the district magistrate and the DCs to crack this and put this on priority basis.
Haga bayadai bagi jing dawa keseng Kongres bat ka VPP bentung ya ke kenhun toket halor gijing keno persya bau sembut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba senyau belang dhar ha kepor budang long menteri ke sarkar ha ke jela ha kepor besencar ke Kongres bau labai tengkai ke kenhun king atiar HNLC. Uba Preston Tun Song ula kentat kene ke jing dawa berula ong bu kersya ne ke jing pensai uba senyau belang dhar halor ke jing keno ke HNLC. Uba Preston Tun Song ulang bawa basnya balang dhar ula pensai bo dan ke jingnya dai bat kata berkumta ukershane ke jing pensai jong basnya balang dhar hendrai ladan kino gi bam sengohon kilong lat luat ban wat jing tip syo kat ke baki kwa halor ke jing dawa ban pha toket uba Preston Tun Song ulang bagi dan digi hajar teli ke jing keno kumta dan ka mentau gi kenhun toket digi hajar teli ban penlong ya ke jing toket.
See, I stand by the statement made by him only. I think he has already given the statement that I have no such link or no such payment made. So what else we can do? I think that statement, I stood by his statement, and then if, suppose now, some people or some section people are not happy with that, let them, they are free to find out some more information, whatever they want. But as far as government is concerned, yes, that statement he has given is accepted.
So like the government will not call for any
Sorry?
So the government will not call for any inquiry into this?
What inquiry?
Inquiry into the allegations?
No. See, if we have to bring in inquiry to the allegations, we have thousands of allegations. Are you trying to say that we need to have inquiry to all thousands allegations? So you need to understand that ground reality also.
Haga bayadai bagi jingmi ke huri-hura haga Star Cement halum shnong haga district East Janja Hills. Uba Preston Tun Song ulang bagi nega jingja mentak la jai bat kibor peniat district gidan haga nega jaka ban telakam ya ke jonglong jingman. Ulang ru bo superintendent ki pulet bat deputy commissioner kila trayala ka kam bat lapan klan ki bor pahara bat hagi nigi kendiat sengi baro kinsa jai biang kum baki julong. Laban kedawang ni, bakum ba arpnya utli ki trok jong Star Cement kila syathang haupat bor hadian baklemi ke huri-hura. Haba kawi ke trok jong Star Cement kala lit tenra iwe unongnya jong ka pick up.
Well, right now the situation is cool and calm, and the DC is on the job or SP is on the job. We have already strengthened the security forces over there, and as I said to you, I'm happy today. No untoward incidents happen, and I'm very sure maybe within a few days from now, everything will be cool and calm in totality.
UMLA ke North Shillong constituency ubah adal bat nongrum uladan hapdeng ke met ke bamkot bamkia. Mereka step jong ka arp sautrek ujembang arhajar arpusan kata kasing sajan lapen ke no marmari u syasi MC Velor dak air ambulance. Kat kumki kubor belayo lum letu bawa adal bat nongrum u bagi pat ba ki jukhat yet barit. Uladan hapdeng ke jing Sya Sumar ha ke Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital Hajayau Shillong. Bad uladan hapdeng ke jing Sumar ha ke hospital mentalajan Shibnai. Letu ba ha kini ki kindiat singi blalet ba adal bat nongrum ula utso bat ula sedang bankan telot. Bat kunta ki bahayeng rengkat kejing selok bat nok ngajing Sumar. Larai bangkit no marmari u syasi MC Velor na kebenta banyo kejing Sumar kabakam bahasyo. Lapen kit no dekat ambulans yo ba adal bat nongrum syakakat lingsun hu umroi badang ni pat kit no yo dekat air ambulans benelam marmar syasi MC Velor. Uba adal bat nongrum udai ublas ajiat arsian kumu MLA jong ke North Shillong constituency ha kesenam arhajar kat pra bat arhajar alpulai. Ban mi kemat kiong barbar tau an kejelah.
Kum shibenta ban pet ya ke jing long jing man jung ke yodu ke bade ke yo ke balarim tam bat ke yo ke bapau nam tam ha ke jala ke sarkar jala hapok ke jing alam menteri rangba ukon rat ke sangma kilalet jurep ya ke yodu bat ya kren ru bat ke nong di nong thiet ha ka las ngi ublai jong kata yo.
Hakani ke jinglet jurep jong menteri rangba ke jala ukon rat kongkal sangma ya ke yodu. Leidon lang usumbut menteri rangba ke jala upa Presiden Tinsong menteri ketenat arts and culture upa Polengdo usiem kahima meliam upa iam aina manik siem ki menteri bat ki bakrau bateri jong kahima bagi officer sarkar. Wara pedang kejing ter ulaba menteri rangba rangkat baka kenhun juu kila beteng mendet jurep iki basa boper ki bedon hayodo. Ban pet iki jinglong jingman jok ne kayo bat kile keren ru bagi nong syong dukan bagi nong dia jing dia. Tentu ru iki pat ba ki belit yo. Kini ke kenhuan ke let ru berjurit ke jaka ke badan asau dong jok yodo ke bakan thuk ke yo molong kli yo bat mat kran. Konrad kongkal sangma habe kran bekila patai kubor hadin ke jing jurep. Ulong bagi sarkar jela kat sepenkre ke master plan ban sna penbha bat ni penat ke yodo. Berulong bagi sarkar jela ka dak mangi pisah ke bakon beruk lur tengka ban sna penbha berok klenti ai kejat ke badan hapok yodo. Barkikam gelas sedang meniat cekmat. Mereka belasaki ke jingdan buan ke jingduna ke jingdan kam kenta ke sarkar kan samang sakat san klur tengka ban pentrai ke projek ke bakam he kum klenti ya kejat kinala ke jingtap ke pipe bak kiwe ke jingdan kam. Ula pensyairu bakan omdan kanu ke jingi tengku bagi projek teni tenat jong ke HADC.
Waste management also. This box is causing a lot of pollution. Yes. Can we figure out how to dispose it off without doing it in the open and the nala? And see like how this is going. We have to talk to the market people also how they should also support this entire effort of the government and of the HIMA to make this better. So our role is there, your role is there, and their role is there. Good afternoon to everyone. Today, along with Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tinsong, and our Tourism Minister, Paul Lingdo, and the HIMA Millennium, and all the other officials of different departments, we had visited Yodo market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts, you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen, and next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths. We will put them under duck, and then we will redo the entire footpath and we'll make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Yodo. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Yodo market area directly and indirectly. And therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Yodo, especially the shopkeepers and the HEMA and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Yodo market.
So, Mantri, where's Mantri? He's going in front. Oh, there he is.
Hello sir, welcome sir to our market. This to video on flash serving children.
We have sanctioned 6 crore in the first installment. That 6 crore work is going on. You can see this, the footpath being made. Now we have already sanctioned 15 crores more. So again build up the nala and so now after doing this small bit, we know that there is more problem. So until unless we don't meet you, we don't know the problem. So we want to hear from you. That's why we have come. And then now, not saying in one day to be done, but slowly, yeah. So no, so 6 crore already done, going on. 15 crore sanctioned. And now this will be the third phase.
Hadin baki kubor baki dur kedar kela sapriang halor ke jingtut bat jinglang jong ki jabot jaban sekejaka ke badon ke dam jong ke wak ganal hakasi palai jong ke tayo menteri ketanat boarding u Abu Tahir Mondal ulapen pau ke jing sokya halor kane bat ulapen tip ba ulaptha iki bor penyak district bat ya ke Meghalaya Power Generation Corporation MEPGCL ban pen khot yakini ki jabot jaban baro.
Habai keren bikinong patai kubor, weti mandal ulong, bagini kejengja kamde setia ke bejatang mentah, mereka dega bejateng, habat her ulap ba ukit lut ya kijabok jaban, bat dikinyut boper ki belapen mi ne kiyo gihat, kijaka bam khana, bat ni kijaka keberan marjan, bat dikine baro lawan poilut, syakini kijaka ke badan, ke dam jong kawa ganol. Witi mandal uletho uladap betha ya Deputy Commissioner Banchim Kian Omardor lokane kejengja bad Deputy Commissioner ulalet banjurip ikane kejaka banado ka arpulai trek ujemang arhajar arpusan on sedang ban penkhot no ikane kejaka kabalalang kinyut kinyer ulong ban pharu iki video bagian net chikisnong ki badan chiki bentai ki becha jerong jong kane kawak ganol ban pesotho iki patba ki ba penyat ki homestay bad iki yo ki hat ba kemdai ban berat pathar kinyut kinyer nama kapor bom dan slap kini ebet ha kejok kejaka andre tang su ter uslap kini kinyut giwan tul lut baro kejaka ke badan kene kadam Weti mandal ulang ru boleh keren ya kene kejingja bat menteri rangba ukonrat kongkal sangma bat ulam menjor kejingdan kam ban shimi kisenjam ki babiang ban tela kam bakum kene kejingja kam dei bandang beteng.
This is not directly they are dumping at the project site. Actually, when heavy rain is there, the rain water from the neighboring areas carries the debris, then forest waste, and also the garbages accumulated in the nearby market, homestays, and also from the picnic spot where the plastics are left over, all are carried and it gets accumulated. This is a serious issue, and I am in constant touch with DC, and I have instructed to take remedial measures as per this is concerned. He has visited the site yesterday, and tomorrow also he is sending the videos to sensitize the people in the upstream, including the homestays, the markets, and all these things, and we'll have to monitor this one for continuously, else it will repeatedly happen. Whenever rain will come, they will carry all the garbage upstream. As far cleaning is concerned, our MEPGCL people are on job, and today manpower has been collected because not everybody can go and remove those debris. We need people who are expert. Today they have been brought in at the site, and camps have been made. By tomorrow morning they will start cleaning the debris, whatever garbage is there, as per the information reached to me. So this is at present. In future we'll have to sensitize all people living in the upstream of the river not to dump garbage directly to the river that side, because as long as no rain is there, they remains in that site. But whenever rain comes, water swells and it carries all those things to the dam site. So this is a serious issue. We got to look into it. I have had a word with already with Honorable Chief Minister Sir also, and he also agreed that we should have some mechanism through which we can placate this type of situations. As of now, nothing, no impact is there because this keeps on floating. But we feel that they may percolate into the tunnel, then goes to the generation site and all these things, powerhouse and all these things. So our people are on constant task that nothing enters into because there is MASH also to segregate these things. By tomorrow we'll see that how things.
How many rivers are joining into the dam?
There are many streams are coming, and ultimately they join River Ganol. And on the bank, because everybody feels,
mainly where the waste come.
Basically, it is Ganol. Ganol is flowing for quite a long distance, and there is a market also. I mean, some bazaars are there, which is on the bank of the river. So ultimately, people tend to dump everything to riverside. So when the rain does not occur, the level of water is down, nothing happens. But when the water swells up, then they carry everything.
Menteri Ketenat Boarding Weti Mondal Uloong Bakajing Hiar ke ha kepung yam kamde setia kabadan benta bat kano kajing light ne kajing leak ne kajing tuat suki jeng ko ne kata baki ong ka sipage Uloong ru bobon kibreu klepen pa ho bak kladon ha ubnai kala lengkot berempang ha kapor begidang sna maramot pen bah ya kene kadan balale kene kam maramot na gebenta kajing singan jong ne kadan ban pedunai kajing lat jong ko Uloong bakila pelang ya ko da ke baperkhat bakala mandan ke jingduna ko hagi samoy ki bater kong bat kala mandan ke jingduna haga jing penmi ya ke boarding Uloong bamenta ki la penmi ya ke boarding kat kum ke jingdan kam nrei la ki pelat kai no ko ka batam ru ken yo jing mentoi bat kum ta kam dan jing ne jing ma ban penmi syo ke boarding bat ban dia no ski waipat Bat nakanehi kapisa anyo apat ban penan kam ban thiet kalai ke boarding hadin habot ha kapor bekejela kan amla ban penmi bone ke boarding elektrik. Uloong ba kejingi de thiet ke boarding kedai ke blale a kelenti ke bokoj leng ba ke Indian Energy Exchange.
See, many people, even last time, some of you also raised the issue that as water level has gone down because there may be some more leakage and all this thing, or seepage, whatever you say. The thing is that nothing to this reduction in the level is nothing to do with either leakage or seepage. Many people were also telling me that this time water was there in the month of say January, February because of the repair and all these things. Of course, repair is done for the safety of the dam so that whatever leakage, crack are there is minimized. That is there. We kept the water thinking of the dry season, and we were apprehensive of that maybe there will be some shortage of power because these are coming from our powerhouses. If one unit is down, either our own utility or the central utility through which we purchase power, then this will cause many problems. So that's why those water was there. Now the question is that as we kept water there, okay, then what happens if rain comes? So all water will be spillover. We'll have to remove the gate immediately to give the water. Now we generate whatever is required for us, we have generated, and whatever is not required, if we just keep like that or flush the water out, what benefit we get? So that's why it is there. It is not harmful if we sell some power, we have resource to buy back power also. And it is done transparently through Indian Energy Exchange. So there is nothing to worry and all these things. Because if water level we keep like that, as rain is coming, all this water will have to release the gate and we'll have to flush it out. So if we generate and sell outside, it becomes a resource of the MEPDCLs. So in future, it will help us buy or purchase power also.
Hadian Bakibor Penya District Jong Karib Hoi Kilalet Ban Kang Kardep Yaka Kardop Lum Kajana Jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC Kabadan Haum Dihar Hakaseba A Jong Katayo Ki Executive Member Ka KHDC Kilaong Bakijimbo Yakanika Kardop Kadai Kabalabu Nadu Menshwa Bat Kadai Ru Katkum Kabor Jong Ka 6th Schedule Hendrai Hakasi Balangpan, Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi Ulong, Bakajing Kang Kardep, Kadai Hadian Biklayo Ekajing Ujor, Bat Kadai Kabala Pentre Kamru, Harut Jongkasurak National Highway, Kabalong Bean, Katkum Kikendon An, Jongkasor Jala.
Ka jinglet Kang Kardep ki bor Penyat District Karibhoi ka Kardop Lum Khajna, kabale jingbit na ka KHDC. Kala penlong ya UEM ubri kmi ekatna trade ban pandang jing tho alo kene ka jingle Jongki Bor Penyat District. Lada kalap bagadan ke jingle bean na kaliang District Council. Laban kerau hang ni, ban kaliang ke office Deputy Commissioner ha ka kadru trek ujemang Arjar Arpusan kilalet ban Kang Kardep ya ki Kardop Lum Khajna ha ka District Ribhoi. Bat kawai ni kini ki Kardop kadai ka Kardop Lum Khajna jongka ki HDC ka badan Haum Dihar. Habakran ni kilat patai kubor UEM ubakmi ekatna trade uba Winston Tony Lingdo uletho bakani Kardop Lum Khajna kala syakang kadai jong katna trade kaki HDC. Bat kadai ka Kardop ka bajulum Khajna ki kali jong ki breu ki bana bar ka jella. Ulapan pau ke jing lengo ahlo ke jing Kang ki bor Penyat District ekani ka Kardop namar bakani ka Kardop kadai ka belabot na dogi por ki bamenshwa. Bat ka bela yo ru ek NOC ne kinong elam shnong bat bot ru ya boro ki kendon ka belabot na ka council. Na kaliang UEM ubakmi ekatnat lan ubolong ru unong aiktian ke Executive Committee ba Powell Soklet loong bagi jingkang ki bor Penyat District ya ka Jakalum Khajna Haum Dihar kalong basnokia namar baka council kayat kat kum ke 6th schedule ku ai bor ya ka District Council banlum ka Khajna uba Powell Soklet ulabo ke jingkali ki bor Penyat District Ribhoi baka ai ke begelale ai ki benai ki balale namar ka por ke judan kata ka jingnum Khajna bean na ki kali Chano uja Deputy Commissioner ka District Ribhoi ha katu kapor. Ula kenoro baga jingle jagi bor Penyat District Ribhoi kalong ka baklam akor. Bat ka dairu ka jingken ben ya ka bor jong ka District Council.
Boyo idi ba pendap langding do. Ila yo ka NOC ru. Shwabin penyang ni ka giat hang thiru. Ila don ki kot kisla ki bila pa shangai yong ba ila yo ka NOC na usnong ru. Di naka NOC bi yo naka shnong ila so lang bat ka work order ila ai ko copy siapa SP office sethi ila ai ko copy siapa DC sethi andai ko mangalong ipin do menne ba naka liang jong DC sethi hadin bi la yo ya kata ka sethi na kini ki ba yo kini ko work order ru kim shim la juba panu kim shim la ong long ne em ban krong ni mlong ban krong ru ti ki bu pli ha ba ki ayo ka work order ban pen trai kam noi ka kam ti lai sedang noi ka kam sha ke dei tak danda ha ka tu ka sngi ha khan ru tarik margi pli ha san tarik ba dei tang ha ka tu sngi khan ru tarik bakin sawan ki district administration bagi sa khang ya ka tu gi ti katai ke dei ka bangi jule na baro shikat tu ka laki wiki isi ki barem ru ngi jule e katai but ngi ru ngi bot dai itai I jing penya bagla penya ka office ken di bot da ka public notice hang ni po office but nang ni syakmat ru ni hap up ya ka feedback la kala ade nama kidon ki gates ki blai don hapo ka court case ru ngidang up ya ka judgment jong ka court ka ka bakti betha ngi nang ni syakmat bangin le ni kloi bangin ni trailang but no ru apa dei bat ka district administration ru ngi kloi bangin trailang lei kum bala panchai ba powel soklet mene ka dei ba long lada ka district administration ka shem ba kini gilong illegal hakmat jong ki kidi pan ai ngi de ka jing thok kanang bangi ru ngi yo ban trai lang kai nim shim lawan hang ni bangin pen khanya ka no ai an rei ka shudei be tang ba ngi kwa bangin ya bu renti ya ka bala judon ha ka district council borosh ka tu ban ngi kwa ban le ye kinu ki kam ha ba shek be shar ke but kani na do bangi wan ka isi ka bathma hang ni ngi pen tikna be ba kinu ki work order kin dei be shis na nim dum la ban ai arsnem ne license ne saus ne pen dei be shis ne me te ti based on that ni ai ka work order kada don ka agreement kada don ka work order ka ni ai shi party ki bayo to dengan baklang ada prapo hajar sistem ya to di fini kumba PE hapo ki media reports ki bala surface mo ngi da instruct ki bakin deng do ID na dia bakin da don da ka receipt te kumba PE ka receipt ka don ngi kitu ki bakrong tu ki da ai da ka receipt ya kitu ki non tribals mar ka ni ka dai ka checking nam ta ki non tribals ma ko to gate ka dai na ka trade department ka dai ka checking in ta ki non tribals ti da issue hi da ka receipt kalong transparent everything kalong transparent ti kumba PE ki reports pagilong illegal nei kam dai bolong illegal kalong illegal ti kita ai da ka receipt but kinda paniyang hiru ka kali rum dai baki obstruct ya hapo ka national highway kita tan cha baile ni tengah ngai pi kum ki reporters pila let tu singi situ pila ya ka jaka ka lashna kum la shai ba puan do mane ba kinda tan ki kali spo highway kim da obstruct ya ka yen juga kali kai tang pade haka bakut hi ka shulong nom ni ba ni up ya ka jingtho na ka district administration kai ngin sa act upon that ka jingtho na mangi hadu mantangi padio kanu communication na kaliang jong ka district administration nang tina ko ri bhoiru ba ngin yele akum no ni shkmat tina kaliang gajungi kum ka isi tingi ap ya kata jung tho bat ngin sa pentip ye phi nong pathai ko bor ke ka bangi dei ban le nang ni shkmat ma
kani kamot nam ta ki tulget ki bathama tin rei kamala ong di yam tan kini ni shuri new be tang ya ka contract jong ki breu ki bangi li se ga gate te kamdon ke no ko bathama ta da ka don ka bathama ki definitely ngin le chata kamot maka da don ko working plan tin rei hadu menta kumala female ki kini ki exist dem de tang hari boy gidan mahabanna hamana ki district den nakalang state government ke diban a ken kata ka jing tho na ni ka notice dem ba bang pingi dem le tam tani kamdan ngila check ya record kamdan mo kamdan kan no record kamumot bangi ni sembek bakini ki kilong legal ban ngila ban penrikam ya ki kumala penrikam da ki isi ki berem na do ki snam ke baladap kam sumdan kan no ko bathama ten rei ka balango ngai female balai balan muscle play mengi on the first day itself te kala khang no nga suspect bagan ka jingle jo ka discussion na po ri boy ka don ka ke ba one na no ngim te kata ba ka tu attitude jong tu mesti balik khang ga ge lu claim kan ko no jing tho ule khang ge la fili ki pulik ki liban kam jo beri ki ra ba ka arrest warrant ni ge ka elected body te ka bala enshrine ka constitution jo India lamba ka 6 schedule ngim de kita ki NGO ni kita ki gang bangen sebukit ngida le ta kalti ka badai I kumbakan dia ka district administration ka 3 kumita ki second class je na kita ki bri ki bam ya khaman te kat ka office jong DC bhai ka badan ki staff ki babon badan ki department of affair ai kin tak jing tho ni te ai da question notice ana ngi le be ai ngin khangi dala de am da kam da ka district che bukan khang te nga shi I bakan ka jing le jong ka kalong install ya ka district council kalong install ya ka dorbar shnong kala ai no si bangin play ka momot baka district administration kam buram kam khain wat ka derbasnong ki bla ai no si ban bu atau kasna ko jongki te ngasko bangan padam jore kan dia ke jingle jo office di sir bhai Jaki ko district kin don ki gate ko kam chumdan kan ko kom tan dai kan san te kan ko pon kan seluruh isa te kam hai kan ni namar ma ni la check ba kam don ko ta ka jing tha ko kum kata ko long pi ga na ka ministry te rei ni ngek ba ni gate ki ba ki de ki asing gate ba don aslam ki bangi rule na ko por ki bala mandate du da ka schedule ya ki district skill ba kin kala ki ni ba in post tax haluk tu ki tra pe khnang ba kan ka jilum khana jungi kam de bangi lum da kam ta jung ka di lim na ta ka fund na ka revenue to ka district council bangi si tulop igin trai bangi penyai de ki ba bun ki kam ha ka close ka ba fra ja ka schedule bala ong ba ki district council ke la ban collect tax ke ba impose ya ki khajana khnang ba kan le ki ba bun ki kam jang ka council kan thop du ki ba bun ki kam na kam ta ka imnak salang da protection ki thau tingil ngo ba na ka leng jong dc ru bhai ule kumde ka long insult but sai sing anong biang kari ka jingle ka ba khlam akor ka jingle ka bam judon hande kari ka si ka jongi kari ka jingle tang shati share thwa ba mungkin beri avoid ka personal.
No. My only point here is any toll gate or any check gate, it should be supported by the law. Anything, it should be under the provision of the law. If there is no such law, then there is no way out. We have to dismantle it. We have to close it down.
Shisngi hadian balami ke jingkanto na ki executive member ka ki HADC balalam khamat akseng VPP hakabede ke jingkhang ya ka khardop krong khajna balai wai da ka ki HADC ha dihar ha district ribhoi u deputy commissioner ka district ula panchai balakhang ya ka khardop hadian ka babot thek iki kendon an balale ka bor ne bamburam show ek district council Habakran hakinong tho kubor u deputy commissioner ke district Ribhoi Abhilash Baranwal uletho bagi bor penya district adin beliau jing ujor na kibabun kila shemekarai ban khang ya khardap krong khajna jong ka HADC balai wa shuru shimat ke bela penteri Kamru harut ke surokma national highway ke belong bian kat kum ki kendon an ke sarkar jela la ban kedau badang shan u executive member bakmi ya ketenat lan u ba powel soklet lambat u executive member bakmi ya ketenat trade u ba Winston Tony Lengdo kilapan pawi ke jeng sokhya da ke bakno bagi bor penet district Ribhoi kilapan ibor da ke ba khang khardap ya kane ka khardap krong khajna jong ka HADC Haba juba bahlo kane ke jeng syakan tho u Abhilash Baranwal ulong belashim ke senjam man khang ya kane ke khardap da ke babot i kenon an jong ke sarkar jela belapen benah ke senam arhajar arpuai balamana ke jeng penyang khardap krong khajna ha kinu surok ba national highway neki surok PWD jong ke sarkar Meghalaya ulong ba uklam le persya ne don ke jeng temu ban omburam syu ikhtiar jong ke HADC namar ke jela ke badan ya ke 6th schedule ndai ulong bale ekania da ke babot thek ya ki kendon an.
We have highest regards for KHADC. It's a 6th schedule state. So there is nothing like disrespecting KHADC. However, I mean, going by the work order that KHADC has given to that agent itself, you'll see point number 6, it is clearly mentioned that it cannot be set up on the highway. So even in their own work order, it is mentioned that it cannot be on the highway. And it is also an instruction which we have received from Government of Meghalaya way back in 2021. Wherein it was decided in consultation and concurrence with KHADC that no such check gate or toll gate can come up on state PWD roads or national highway. So there is a standing instruction from Government of Meghalaya. Their own order is also saying that it cannot be set up on the national highway. So that is why this gate was closed down. Otherwise, there is no point of disrespecting KHADC. In fact, over the last 2 months, both KHADC and CM Hima Milliam have set up more than almost 8 to 10 check gates. We have not closed down anything else, but the one that has been set up on National Highway, which is against their own work order, that only has been closed down.
Hakakat pratarik ujemang arhajar arpausan kipulit jang Kamadan Ruting Police Station kila kemno ya ki arngut ki barjala ya ka balawan yalam da ki pat bahi ki beladap da ke jing bitar lem namar kila a ya ka pisa ban yo e ka kam sipai leng ba ke jing kular thok jong kini ki arngut ki brio wow
Okay.
कोई नहीं जाएगा
Haka khat pratere gujemang arhajar arpusan ki pulet ka thanat madan reteng kilekemno agi arngot ki breu ki bamde ki trajla blatep kerteng komu amar balmiki ba Sanju Sharma hadin bagi patba kilawan yalam hi yaki shathanat holor ke jingkeno bagi lalum pisa naki bat kila thok ru ban pedio akam spai haba poi hathanat katto katne minute haba ki pulet ke persyang menelam yo we ni ke belas akem ki patba kila shot ladat bagi la patrong yu ni ndrei da ke jing step no jugi pulet ala ban pensangya no Haka bagi la pendrong no aka kali ban ra sha civil hospital na ke benta ban le aka medical test katkom ka khubor belayo ni ki pulet ba katkom ke jing tep belayo aka khat pratere ujemang halor we ubreu bela subadan kti ban pedan kambak lai ke pisa ki patba la keno buni ubreu ulalum pisa na palat lai spangut ki breu ban kular ban pele akam spai Uni breu ulalum gejingilang jang barok ki breu ki bolalum pisa halong range thembasok bani kran lor kejing pendrong kam sipai ndrai bagi patba ki lapoi kene ga jaka uni breu shimlala ban ai ke jubab ka babiang lor kani haka bagi lesmotho bakani ka dei tang jing thok chu kumta ki patba ki lesmotho ka kam syukur kle lam no inu breu badi wei pat blatep kerteng ko Sanju Sharma syaka thanat badan reting bat IT ki pulet ban lor kani ki pulet kidang penlong ya kejing tok kit
Nisan ya kabur pulit. Ndai balai pulit kile dan bor kira udbut tu. Ha ngiai la. Misto ya ka cingdu congi. Ha ki scam ya ka kam ai bor khoi. Te tang kata yang don kam.
Na to ong wi simrai lada bomyo su ikne pisa ta kan klik ki pulit kan bekira. Dan kan klik ni pisa congi pejba ngata su ong tang kata kan. Dan ong na bos.
Nga day nang ni saulat hi te yang ai kan kod ipan ka account number bat ka Aadhaar bat ka kini kod de gini kani ka madam ka de gini bukan bakari kayak gini di bensa ki ong ban ba nyen hap siu san hajar wibriu te ngapat ai besar ong kapat pat yo trairen tengah empat air ka bisa de ngamte bre ba ong bu meeting mentasi ti yan le ken jam sa te da poi si te bana ba front kakam sari ngau turwa ong bagari ken ne ka kat badang don u kontrak ki ong kat badang don kontrak ka kam kadang don dala mi kontrak te kam yu mla re ban don ken la men tab de ki we Thôi kum kata kulinar kasar itu pungkuj ini upah bensiu yang maru uang yang ngisim san hajar wibriu tengah pat teng ong amdan besar itu uang ai si hajar tengah pat siu kan ni kata ini briu ni itu ba iwan hante hadukan awan hante hadukan te iong ngin penjuk kam kanแต่ละบุญรู้ตีกี่ด้านกี่ปลอกจงอาระบอกแทบแต่ยี่องงานจะอันรุ่งชมังงานจะเป็นแทบกี่แต่ตั้งกระต่ายกันบางกี่คอร์ดมิ팅 yang ingin tasiกี่คอร์ดกี่พานังตู้กี่นักกรุ๊ปกี่องโยนักกรุ๊ปที่แต่กี่องนับวันวันmiting mentasi Halo.
Namar kijingja ki bakha ka bakipat ba kilangop ne kingat hakishrip jong kibriyo ki bakular ban penyokam da kabasiu da kapisa Superintendent of Police SP ulakentu kipat ba bakidai ban long ki bahusyar bat bakim dai setia ban ngop hakine kijing pinbi ban siu da kapisa ban yo yakakam kajam.
Superintendent ki pulet ulakentu kipat ba ban husyar na kibriyo ki bakular ban penyokam da kabapan pisa. Da kebakedo bagi padba ki demen sngotho bagi no ki kam sarkar ki dehi ban bod ki kendon bani okam bat amdan mano menurut ki bala ban pni okam klem da bod ki kendon. La ban kedo hang ne bahaka khat pratrik ujemang arajar arpusan ki pulet ka thanat madan reting ki lakem no ki armut ki briau ki bagantho biu amar balmiki bat usanju sharma hadin bagi padba ki lawari alam hi ki syaka thanat. Lalu kejingkeno bagi lumpisan ki briau bat ularu ban pni okam sipai ki da ka basyuthok. Habakaran ba Superintendent ki pulet ulaong baik ini ki arut ki breu ki belakano lumpisa ban penyo akam sipai la kem no eki bat ya kemokot duma ladap ban register bat ki pulet kidang syem ki jingkran ki breu ki bala sya thok rakini ki breu ban tep kano kepisa ki lalum ne ki breu Superintendent ki pulet ulakentu ki patba bakin long ki buhusiar bat bakim dai ban aipisa ha ka dai ba kejing akam sarkar amar kaneru kadai kejing don benta joki hakini ki kam sniu Da kebakedo belada ki breu ki ai pisa na kebentau di okamru kila ban ngat lang hakaan kumtakan baha bikin kiar na kum kini kijingja.
Those people are in custody and case has been registered and all that. Statements have been collected from people who actually had been duped by them. So we are trying to ascertain what is the total volume of money which has been given by people who have been duped to these culprits. I just would like to urge the public, don't fall prey because giving money for jobs in the government or recruitments also you are a party to that crime. In fact, you are abetting that crime, so and could be liable also. So can you refrain from such practices and don't fall prey because any recruitment is it's a very watertight system, so nobody can just get in easily. And touts will actually take advantage and then have many methods of actually enticing people. So refrain from that.
Hakabedai bagajing syato ka ATM jong ka SBI hamokria Superintendent ki pulet uba Vivek Sim. Uleto bagi pulet kejela kedang penlong ya kejing toket halor kani. Bat kile keren ru bat ki pulet ni kejela mamarjan kenang badi okem ya ke bedan benta. La ban kedau hang ne basau ngut ki breu ha ka khat khandai terik ujemang arhajar arpusan kila lute ya kawai ki ATM jong ki SBI hamokria bat kila yo rong ya kapisa kabakot syaka arpu pralak tam. Habakran ni kilat patai kubor ba Vivek ia mulai tu bagajing syato kena ki ATM kelajah kepor lai BJA men step bat ki breu ki badan benta kila wan ra ru de kitar kitar ki babiang ban lute kena ki ATM. Ulong bakum gini ki jingja ban lute ya ki ATM ki jujaru ha asam bat ki jela. Kumta kidang penlong ya ki jing ekran bat ki bor pulet ki jela asam bat Nagaland. Ha ka baladon ru ki bala syakem halo ki jing dan benta jongki ban lute ya ki ATM.
There were 4 people involved. They had used oxal gas cutters and it's a professional group. So this is treated as a special report case and investigation is already on. We registered the case and this is some form of organized crime because this kind of lifting of ATMs has happened also in other parts of the sun. So we have already reached out to our counterparts and all that, especially Nagaland also it has happened and some people were caught also. So coordinated effort will be there and investigation is in progress.
Da kijing so kya halo kijing sya pensange ban pentekam ya kabela shispasngi ne ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA hakala si ble jong katayo ka dorbashnong latnong se kalalet ujor sa ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission halo ka ne kijing sya pensange ban pentekam ya ke scheme hapo ka shno
Ki nongket kam gedor bar shnong lat nong kse kebadan hapo ka soyong CNRD blok. Haka khat khandai trek ujumang arajar arpusan kilawan banbu de gejung ujor haka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission halor gejing sya pensange ano ka shnong lat nong kse ya gejing tre ba shis pasmi na nek MGNREGS. Haba keren berubah purning star shabong udkhot gedor bar shnong uletho ba gejing sya pensange ya gejing tre ka mega scheme shis pasmi. Hakishnong lat nok se kadin kejing ujor ki kato kani ginong shong shnong ki blelam da arngot ki bakentop yoba Phyllis Star nong bri ba Davis lengdo ta ka bakdo bahalo kani kejing pentrekam da syam bagadan kejing sotho jingmot ha pedeng kinong shong shnong halo kani kebentan da kaliang ka office UBDO kila persyang menekran ban penia cekmat kejing pentrekam masis pasni ndrei ki klamla bandai ai Banang nega daw na kaliang video ula batha kinong ilam shnong bagian pensange asyo shipor kajing pentreka megane ke scheme hakane ke shnong uletho bada kajing pensange kane kajing trei kala bo jing e baka kata aru kinong shong shnong ki badan kumbashis patam kilong yeng namar kajing bamdan bela kinong shong shnong nadok snam arhajar arpulai bala pentrekam khado e ya ka scheme shis pasni
bentah nalai juni ba ban pensai ni pasawi bat kebentah abai de bat kajing kran jong kaneka block development monitoring committee kebala kran flow kaneka jing trejok kat po snang la nyungsai I hangne po snang la nyungsai kadai ke jing sisa hakaba nalai jungi ni trai ngim da batai ban don kam ban batai bnia nomor ba wat ki panba nong song snong jong song nyungsai bami haka nyut haka khandai tarik mentau benai hakaba kidai ki panba nong song snong jong song nyungsai dalade kila persisya ba kila perskam bahwa kadang saya kajing persange ya kajing terjawab kat po senang saya but kini ki pai ba nong song jong song lang saya kepada kinong terjawab kat kila persange ya kajing nomor ba habakang ba persange ya kajing terjawab kat kalau saya kajing dunong dong tata nomor balai mar kambusin senong kendong kirap-kirap por like por tuju terjawab kat dan rai la kini ban terjawab kat kemen ba kinom yo berlah te kata ya ka kamai kajing congki kata yo kon joki sawai berbenda ka bang suban panhang de Donru ki beriu ki ba dona ada khatmat ki ba ngitip tinong we ki PWD lan ki person with disability kineru ki beriu ki yo jing mentoi na ane ka job ka hot kim le trai kim la ban le trai dan ki ba kim la ban le trai don ki ba la ban trai mola ane leng ba ka jing don jong ne ka job ka erap ya ki ban kersian yang long renjeng joki ban kersian yang long yi long sam joki le ka jing khang ban pentrai ka jing personge ban pentrai ya ka job ka ta ru ka ta Tek ai bang pang persel ne kalong ba. Hoi dan kita kirang ba kala mi sakmat. Ki ba ong ba kajing trejok kat kaya ba sakmat. Nalai juni penduan pensah ne ba adu mentahi nak liang job kat kam semla ya sakmat. Marbalai marba kadang kene kajing war kasisi ki jong ki kirang ba ki bawa mi sakmat. Ha ka ba kat patrik na benai ba kap we arya busau bila tho ci video ko omne subjek kajing kerpat dan pasenge iswa ya kajing ji dan Jerman VEC bat kajing bat ban pentrai bat ban pasenge ya kajing pentrai jokat ko sang lakse kalau kata damu kajing pasenge pentrai ya ka jokat ko sang lakse haus nam arhajar arposal kajing sisa nak lihat office jong video gila betah ban pentrai ya kawai kajing trai ke bang itip ke digital library ya kan ka digital library lamut ban pentrai da ka VC kemut ba lamut ban pentrai da kinong tre job ka po sta mai sai ana gine ki breu ki ban penthot ha office jong video da ka balik ban bu ki jing thot ba bun chat bu kom ba persim sim kerteng nang ne nang tai bom dei ru wat kinong song jong song mai sai ban don bantah po sta mai sai ki sim ni tai kerteng ban fan komplain hadu bo poin puat ba nak yang ka office jong video rengkat ka jing ikran lang bat ngi kinong song senong bat kinong kit kam senong bat KVC ru kumju lahap ban simno nak liang nak office jong video ban pentrai haba ka simno nak liang video ban pentrai iso tenat hawa tang ba ka wai pat lang ba ki pai ba ki ba im nak balajok ka kledu nak pentrai sawai pat dangsian haka ba nak liang ka office jong video klah alot ya ka wai ka jing trai job ka hapok senang lang se kepada ka surok pentrai ya surok na piludi sya ko mo saka Andai kidong trai job kat kilai dat penbet kilai dat belum yalang badia benaru yaksi pentrai andai haswa bakin net trai kine ki beriu kilai dat khang dah po office jong deputy commissioner telo tak benta kawara ai ka bom skol tenat penduk no ya hok jong ki marbalai kembang ikran mensua habangi khang habaki khang ki jing trai job kat kadai ke jing penduk ya hok jong ki marbalai ka tak baik ya jing em jong ki ya lat kamai jong ki ya ka jakpo jong ki ya kan lebat kila tak ya kajing kerjaan yang logi long sam jongki kata kadai kawai ka benta ka bagi kwa ang percaya lang bagi la tak bo
Ka Northeastern Hill University Teacher Association Nehuta, ka Khasi Students Union KSU, Nehu Unit, ka Northeastern Hill University Students Union Nehusu, bat kiwe hakisngi palay kilapan pau hakihe officer katanat puli puthi jang sokar pedeng bakem kwa shu bo Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla unwan pai biang saka school ba Nehu.
Ki kenhuan ki bakentop ya ke Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association, ka KSU Nehu Unit, nang tap de ke Northeastern Hill University Students Union bat kibai ha ka jingilang bat ki arngut ki officer ketenat puli puthi ke Sarkar Pedang kilapan pau badalele ru kin kwa asyo bau Professor PS Shukla unwan pai biang syakani ke school ba. Ha ka arpuar tere jemang arhajar arpsan nak liang ketenat puli puthi ke Sarkar Pedang kalapha yau Sunil Kumar Baranwal u Additional Secretary jang ketenat Higher Education Bad Usubrat Kumar Pradhan, Ubedai Director Katanat Higher Education jangka Sarkar Pedang banjurip halor ke Jinglong Jingman haga skol ba Nehu. Habai keren Bad Usunil Kumar Baranwal, ulito bakanya ke Jingelang kalong baga Sarkar Pedang kaku abantip ke Jinglong Jingman haga skol ba Nehu, bad ke Jingelang hi kalalong ke Basaiso. U President ke Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association u Professor Lakhon Kamah. Ulang bagi jingelang kalong ke Basaiso damar habapet ya kejing pendelong ya kejingelang kapau hi kumakiwan chane ban pet ikurukom trekam jengene ke skol ba klem Vice Chancellor Bapura. Da ke bakado ba kejing jah ki benai ke belalet kila tiplot bat ke snoto ru ba Vice Chancellor barem un amla asyo banwan pa ke skol ba Nehu. Da kejing wan juki kalong ban penbet ke kenrum kenram hakane ke skol ba. U Rikidai Buram Rabon u Vice President ke Nehu Su ulang ba kejengwan kekenhuan hi syakani kejengyalang kalong ban bat ikanong rem ban amsya asyo yo Professor PS Shukla wan pai syakani kejaka puli bat kilapan pauru bagejengwan juki kalong ban penbet yaki kenrum kenram u General Secretary ka KSU Nehu Unit u Kevin Nelson Wanrat ulang bakiliyo ban pensngo yaki mat haki officer katanat puli puthi ke Sarkar Pedang bat iletu ru haki ke jinglong jingman jangka skul ba hakapor bai layalam Dau Professor PS Shukla.
Can you tell us about the review meeting?
Only about the review meeting, sir. How was it?
Yes, I had a good meeting with the faculty, all the teaching deans, head of the departments, and good experience. I hope everything will be normal and will work better.
It was a very fruitful discussion because the whole idea was look like the team came here to assess the situation that how we are doing with or without the regular VC and certainly now without the regular VC. And I think we could convey the problem in the first meeting was the problem of the department and the school as such. But when we said as Nehuta just now, we highlighted and they know. What is important, I don't have to repeat. I think you all have been here since November last year and you know what has happened. And certainly they also know that it has become very, very untenable for him to even, let's say, think of returning to campus for sure. But what will be the solution is still being worked out, that how do we resolve the matter, because apparently they are keen to resolve the matter and we are also as a university, as Teachers Association, I think we are very keen to resolve this so that the impasse actually goes off. There has been some modalities that seems to be on the plate, but we have not yet finalized on any of those. Naturally, they have finished meeting us, they are meeting Nehusu and after that Nihunsa and other stakeholders. The only thing is we are positive after meeting them that seems like they are willing to find a solution so that Nehu comes back to normalcy. And that is where I don't want to add anything more because things are only evolving because they are still here for next 4-5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very, very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. We have asked and they don't seems to have any reply because they said yes, it is being investigated. But I feel that probably they didn't convey us because we indeed started the meeting. That before we start the meeting, please tell us what is the outcome of that inquiry committee. But they said that no, we have finished the inquiry. We are still studying, but look like apparently they have already made up their mind. But what it is exactly, they are still not sharing with us. But we can only read between the lines. But they have not categorically said what is the outcome of that committee.
Did Professor Shukla attend the meeting through video conference?
No, certainly not. I don't think it is proper or it will be appropriate for him because this committee independently came here to assess the situation. That when he's not here, what is the situation and what is the problem being faced by the university? I'm sure at different capacity, at different level, maybe he's interacting with the team that we don't know. We are not privy to it, but with the meeting of stakeholders in Nehu, he is not part of it at all. It is the acting Vice Chancellor, Professor S.M. Sungo, who is doing the needful and facilitating the process, convening the meetings and helping in the whole setup. And Professor Shukla is nowhere to be seen during these interactions.
Hakaba ngin pediang subha gini bro artikli ki arngot ki briwan apa Ministry of Education tambah ladak ka kiwan haringkat ka jingdan jung Shukla ngin pediang yo Shukla namar pilatep hi ke bejah po ni university po jingelam jong te menepat menemstap ni yo jing tep ba kinwan bit thik tang maki tengi ru na kaliang jungi ngi pediang yeki te ngi sutna ru ha ju por kilak ailang ya ka por ban yo kendo ini te na kaliang ke jongi ngi layo ban pensko yeki mat ki jura ka bangi kendo ha kini ki si stamp ki blale kamtam ru ha kunjo ha ka por ba jingelam jong ne Shukla te nakaliang kajungi nila pensngau shibun ki bat ni suturu ba hakani kapor katanya ba umdan pat ni Shukla la simti shwa ni pang Professor Saha hadian jo Madam Sungo hakani kapor ni sutu ya kajing ya bet ya ti ki classes kajing ya ka development ka dan hapo ka university berapa way ni sedang banyo kita ki basic necessities ki jongi ki ba ke bangi dan kam nadu kasrok kaya lenti ki footpath ki street lights kini kita kilala ban urlong pat ha ka jingelam jong Madam Sungo bat ashwa jong Professor Saha te ni laban suturu ba ha ka jingelam pat jong Madam Sungo henden kasing gal dan ka academic council te ha ka ba shibun palat cispa tam kino hikai kilai wan hakani kapo hakani ka academic council kata ka pen isai ka jinglong tre hok jong ini Madam Sungo but nakaliang ka jungi students su menen ka singi la yo simbatalang ha ka academic council but ka pen ka jing shania tili tolong jungi students but kumju ki no hikai ka jinglam linti jong Madam Sungo but ha ka ju oporo kumbang laong ba menen ka singi la draft ka shithi ya kata ka jing wan jung ini arngot ki na po Ministry of Education ngi pediang iki Henry kajingwan jung Professor Shukla nginum pediang dalele tang kata hi kadai kawai kamat ka bapangsan nadu usngi ni kong ki pangyong baniki la kalong hapo paper bengila penya nadu ki snam gi blale ne nadu hadu to sngi bengya shong sha than ro kata kaju sor kebanmi nangni shkmat ba nginu dalele nginum pediang yu Professor
Kepada kejadian ya, you pipi apa cina?
Apa jong kejingelang nila iyo ban keran shibun ki mat ki bangsan kamtam ki hostel issues ki library issues ki infrastructure kajing duna jugi na hikai bat ka bjing bamdan ka recruitment hapo henry nakaliang juki ngi sutanat bakila sngap bat ki ongru ya kita ki issues kinsa shim kya bat kinsale ka badan kam haki singi bela ki bansawan
Menteri Kesukaan Jela ubah kami ikatanat Revenue and Disaster Management ubah kermen Jela ulah kentu ya ke Jela Assam bakadai ban snabhai ke nala ban lain nak jingslai ha Assam bat kamdai ban keno ni kedokti kelapan ban ya ke Jela Meghalaya.
Menteri Ketanat Disaster ke Jela Meghalaya ubah kermen Jela ulah kentu ya ke Jela Assam bakan snabhai ke nala kenang bagian lain nak jingslai ha ke Jela Assam. Da ke bakadau bah penwat lat habashlei man keno ke Jela Meghalaya. Habakran ni kelat patai kubor hak arpo itri kujemang arajar arpusan menteri ulang bagajing slayo mahasam kamne negajala Meghalaya badan kamban jisai kejing keno daga bajurep bah bala dagadan kejing shisha halor kani kejing keno aru ladai bandan kata kejing ekran ban beji kejing ya. Menteri uli itu bahadu mentaru katrat kampat yok keno kuno kejing ujor halor kani badai nak Meghalaya pesasli mahasam. Nrai don kam banwat kilat klenti banlat nakania bat ka asam ka deban shnai kinala ki pabyang banlat na kejing shlei la ban kedau hang ne bana kaliang menteri rangba kejela asam Himanta Biswa Sarma ula keno ba kejing shlei ma kejela asam kadai ba kejela asam kalau outload gilum ban shna surok ha Meghalaya.
Blame without proof is very easy to blame, but it'll be nice being a legislature. It's better to have a proper proof and then do a proper survey. And if it goes because of us, so unless we can have a discussion. Till date we did not receive, I believe even the concerned department did not receive that such kind of letters has been sent to the state of Meghalaya. It might be there, but I was not aware. So if it was there, I think I might have a copy of it also. We have not received any kind of letter that mentioning that because of Meghalaya, this is the cause of the flood in Assam. Most of the time, okay, let's say, this is naturally it happened. We are on a higher level, they are on a lower level. So naturally the water will go from Meghalaya to them. Sometimes if they are in a higher level, it comes to us also. But that doesn't mean we have to blame. It is naturally it happened like this. It's God created this. It's not that we put ourselves on top and they themselves they dig and they stay on the lower. That we cannot blame just for the dead flood and now they have to blame us. The only thing is that what is the solution? They have to find out. The solution is that make a proper drainage so that they'll avoid all those things. Until unless they do that, if it is today, you made an accident and you blame the road, that is your fault. You with a high speed you drive, so you accident. So to avoid your accident, you have to drive properly and then take care so that you will not get an accident. Those kind of preventive need to be taken care.
Ka All India Safe Education Committee ISEC Meghalaya chapter hakasne palai jong ka tayo kala palat ba ek draft jong ka People's Education Policy PEP arajar arposan kaban persya ya ka National Education Policy NEP arajar arpo kabala pentrekam da kasokar pedeng klam daya selok ne ya tai ba kiriu star riu shampang hakapule puthi ne bat kipat ba jong kari India.
All India Safe Education Committee AISEC Meghalaya chapter hak arpu artrik ujemang arajar arpusan ngapalai ba ek draft jangka People's Education Policy arajar arpusan Shillong. Komisi benta ban persya yakan National Education Policy NEP arajar arpo. Habakran ni kilat patai kubor interim president jangka AISEC Meghalaya chapter usambor lang dekhar. Ulang baga People's Education Policy arhajar arpusan kalong ke persya ya ke NEP arhajar arpo kabala penteri kam jubor ke sarkar pedeng hakapor bakari ke don pedeng ke jingkang dam namar ka klam COVID-19 da ke bakado bagajingwan ra ke AISEC ya ke People's Education Policy ke deban bujli ya ke NEP arhajar arpo namar ka sarkar pedeng ke penteri kam ya ke NEP klam dapan jingmud niatai bat kiro shampang hakaliang ke puli puti kinohikai kisamla pulie bat baru kipat ba hakari. Nagaliang Secretary ke AISEC Meghalaya chapter u Dr. Batskam Merbo. Uli itu belatau ya ke Meghalaya chapter kesenam arjar arpusau hadin kejing peliu jingmut lang bat kinong elam na Delhi bat na Assam. Ban penjur kejing ki ha baru kari ban persya ya ke NEP arjar arpo. U Dr. Batskam Merbo ula kena ru ba ke NEP ke penslur ya kejing penlong kam kayi ya ke puli putih hakari. Kalau penlong ya ke AISEC ban penlong ya kejing ekran bat kejing merjing mut bat kibrio kibadan kejuk kejing mut kibadan kejing temu ban penim bat kentiu ya ke puli putih. U Dr. Batskam Merbo ulang ru ba ke AISEC ke pedang sobhaya baru banedan bentalang ha ke AISEC na ke benta ban penim ya ke puli putih hakari na kejing syashim kabu ha kino ibor kibamdan kejing snotenat kibamdan jing temu ban kentiu ya ke puli putih. Daga bakadau bahadian balayo ya baru kejing ajing mut ka AISEC kan ra ikan draft akan National People's Parliament keban lohok benai kelalengkot ke senam arajar arpun reo ha Bengaluru ban bujli yak NEP. Bat bandawan ak sarkar preng bak sarkar jela ban pentre kamno yaka People's Education Policy arhajar arpusan.
And when we look at education, it is a social structure. It is a social infrastructure. Now, for whom is this infrastructure built? First, we have to be very clear about that. Does it concern only students and teachers? Or does it concern parents? Does it concern families? Does it concern the community as a whole? And if we accept this, that this is an infrastructure on which the whole of society depends on, how can a single cabinet sitting decide on a policy? I fail to understand why it was not discussed. And for infrastructures, to my mind, for infrastructures to be sustainable and for education to be sustainable in this country, we need a bottom-up approach towards how this policy should take place, not a top-down approach by a few persons.
But the question is, criticism is not enough. If you say NEP is bad, then what should be the education? What kind of education we need, which is better for us, that we should be able to state. And that is what the ISEC, All India Save Education Company, has come out with. It is coming out with a people's alternative to NEP. And it is showing where we need to concentrate and where we need to focus. If you see the document, you will find a description of everything. Why do we need this people's education policy? What should be the guiding principles and values that should govern education? How should there be the structure of education? What kind of preschool education or school education or higher education or teachers education that we should have? And it also talks about the financing of part of the education policy and shows how the government of India and also the state governments are reducing funds, allocations for education and talking very big things about improving the face of education. So we also talk about democratization. It also talks about democratization of education policy making bodies where we should include teachers, students and parents representatives in these bodies. So like that we have made a very critical assessment, and on that basis ISEC has come out with this draft. But when we say draft, it is still a draft. Our intention is not to say that it is final and it will be or it should be accepted in toto by the governments. We are not like NEP, the government which took the decision merely on the basis of a cabinet decision. We want that this draft should go to the nook and corners of the India. Everybody should discuss about it, contribute to that, update it, and concretize it in the context of the needs of each of the states. You know, the state education is not same in all states. We are at different levels of development. Keeping that in view, what kind of education is appropriate to each of the states? That is what the people in each of the states should discuss and debate. So also it says many things which I just summarized here, where we say that the government should allocate adequate budget for the education. We said 10% of the central budget and 20 to 25% of the state budget should be allocated for education. And it says that we should address the problems of social disparities so that we can promote education and ensure that it reaches to the marginalized sections. It also talks about you can say centralization of education should stop, and then the education here, the state should have they have the decision making thing. That means in a way you have to, earlier state education was under the state list. It was only in 76 or so it became a concurrent list. Now in the name of NEP it is actually becoming centralized. So we want that it should go back to the state list, and the state should have the liberty to decide on the education policies for their own states. And we also say that this 10 plus 2 plus 3, which is already there, which has worked for such a long years, plus what is this one? The preschool education, that should be there. And we are against commercialization of education. And it also talks against the centralized exams, admission tests like CUET and NEET, which goes against the interests of the marginalized sections who cannot compete at all India level. So like that, we are also talking about FIUP and many other things which are very much there in the draft. We request you to go through the draft. We request you to ensure that more and more people come to know about this draft, discuss the draft, and help in developing the draft. So I think our own chapter, I should also tell you that we are not the only state which is releasing the draft. Simultaneously, in different state capitals, this draft is released. So now this draft will become the basis for further discussions. So we discuss at each of the state and then come out with the state reports, and all the state reports will be discussed in the People's Parliament, which is going to be held in Bangalore in December or in January next year. And it is there that we come out with the final draft of this People's Education Policy, and this will be submitted to the governments, and we insist that this being the people's verdict or people's policy, this needs to be implemented.
Kahinyaw Trap Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, hakasiba jong katayo kalalit Jurep yaka Weybridge, jong Kajanta Hills Autonomous District Council, kabalapan yang bean Hasonapur, East Janta Hills, dakabapan Kenya kikondon jong ka Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways.
Kaseng Hinyaw Trap Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, haka arpotrip jemang arajar arpusan. Kalalit ban Jurep yaka Weybridge ka GHADC hapo kejeng kemi ka Tanat Klau kebadan Hasonapur haga District East Janta Hills kabalapan Trekam Landro Benai Tam AA. Nagaliang kinong alam ka HITO keblalit Jurep kila syam bahagani ka Weybridge obnan Weir unong tray jang ka GHADC. Bagani ka Weybridge kadai ka bam Trekam syot nadok kasenam arajar katsaw namar bakam long syot ban peniat kali ling bajong ka. Kila kendoru baga jengdon kani ka Weybridge kani ka jaka kalau ka babean namar kalapan kani ki kendon jang ka Tanat Road, Transport and Highways ka Sarkar Pedang. Da ka baklembut ki kendon balabuk da ka Tanat ka bakadau syai ba am syai kinu ki kerdop ban peniang hasilenter ka Surok apo hinyo po mita na ka Surok ba. Halor kani ka HITO kan saai ka jeng George ki bor peniat district bat syaka ying syari ban kang kerdap no sisendon ya bor ki kerdop bean ka GHADC ki bala peniang hasilenter ka Surok ba National Highway. Naduk rata cera mokendur bat kiwai gibal aiwai shkiru shimen. Bat dawa bade ban peniat di dengan council pembelalek agi por ki ba menchua.
Ina ka HITO ilawan ban Jurep ya kani ka Weybridge jong ka Janta Hills Autonomous Council ka Tom Greenhouse ka Kerdop ban Talasi ya kali kitmar Klau bat kimar kokndeu bat kejengman jongi hne ka pelengo ingi ba bayakan ka Weybridge nanduk senam arjar katsau nanduk bakang ka NGT yodo yang kala rim bat kam tri kamsu bat ka pen lengo susu ini kalong ba yakani ka Kerdop ka ba la penyeng la katok anis nem hne la penyai ka kiri sumet lem don kinu ki forester la ni ki ranger jong ka forest department jong ka Janta Hills Autonomous Council bat kani ke penisai ba don kair kai sulendet jong ka ado di penyai ya kani ka penyai PI su ong lo di kalian tungi ong ba kani ke jing penyai ya kani ka bridge kalong PI nomor ba di kumno kiring simet di bomde di staff ni ke official dan council dimde di forest expert di pan verify dan di pan detect ya kita di kali di bakit ya kimar kok ndeu bat kimar lau di ni kalian keseng yin ujor ya kani ka dam sya ke board district bat punjuru yin ujoru sya ke yin besar bukan seklar bukan wat punya halor kani ka jingle jeng district council kemudian le iba le sakiba ke jing hiran bisa jeng ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council kalong sebapalat re hukum kini ke benta hukum kini ki terdop ke council kelapa permi revenue dan lengba kini ki sangat forest ke IY sekiring simet ban Ailat wanti langi ban ke dia sobu jong katuk ane ki officer baki EM in charge klik jong council ban walat wanti kumno ban kini ya bam club je ka revenue langi kataka jikta kasus jong council lang baka forest department
ka baplag ai ka kum jing yo i jong ni kum gasen nama ye kene ko bridge kaladon hangne Henrik bapla bagi kali ki ba pas lembah me surat di kren ya lembah kene ko bridge katum ke tinggi kren jongi bati katu kat ni ki driver gompar ki binga yo dangi yo ban bat hang ni ki batasha yangi bagi kren ai kita ki kata slip ni ki hinrai ki sim tang ki sa don bagi sim apa don bagi sim tanpa ko bagi kali katum ke tinggi ingila bonon bakane kedai kata kunda sakit ba amdon kinong train na po ke HDC ba amdon kita ki slip supang ban supen yang hang ni ban simpisa naki kalikit mar
UMDC jong kalaban mauprem uba Ricky Shulai hakaseba a jong katayo ulali a de kador khas omentu rangba kejala bandawa ba unsim khialem banyak keren bat kesokar pedeng nak benta ban plilat ikipat ba kalaban bakinyo ban pendon kambiang ya kamadan garrison ground ya ka menta la pendon kam da kishipai
Habai keren beginong patai kubor UMDC Kalaban Mauprem uba Ricky Shulai ulang bakamadan Garrison Ground kebelatip kum kamadan kerket kadai ke bagi patba kamtam kinong laban ki jupenan kam. Hendrai nado bala shimti ki shipai ki patba kem shimla yo sho ekalat ban pendan kam yakane kamadan ni lakai. Uba Ricky Shulai ulang bakadaw hi kebala aiman CMU ban kerpat ya menteri rangba kejela ban shimkia yakane kamad. Kadi hadian bala saki bahaka katsan terek ulber Haga bagi sipai kelepan paino ekajaka kabasis panrau akar kabadan ha aizol ha kejela Mizoram sya ke sorkar jela. Hakamat kejingan dan lang menteri korbari ke sorkar pedeng u Amit Shah. Uba Ricky Shulai ulang bola kerpat u menteri rangba ke Meghalaya bonya keren lem bat katanat Home Affairs bat katanat yadari ke sorkar pedeng. Kenang bagi sipai kabadan hakane kejelaru ken buat ikane kejuk kenuksa kebelalek dik sipai ha aizol. Ulang baka Garrison Ground ke kamadan ke banaduk kipor ki bamenshua ka baki patba ki yoban penankam habai lekai. Bat ke kamadan ke badan ke history ha ka bah ka senam syajar kendai spa sapu nyo la penbam semai yo menteri rangba benengkong ke jela Asam u Gopinath Bordoloi bara ke senam syajar kendai spa nyo puar. Haba ke Meghalaya ke layo la ke jong ke jela. La penbam semai yo menteri rangba benengkong ke jela Meghalaya u Captain Williamson Sangma. Bat kini kamadan kala ai jing syakri kinong ilakai ki belakai ki jajing ilakai baper. Hendrai andala poi ki snam na do syajar kendai spa kendai pau shaneng ba ki sipai kila sedang ban chimti bat kim shimla syasho ikinong shongshnong ban pendan kam ya kini kamadan.
Kade ka jingli kendu jonga ya i kalong alor kane ka president event ka belajar kane ka khatsan trik jongo march kabalong kapapen mo desi penyo mensiam lang yang bat kinong song jong kalaban berkasor hi berkowe habangi i ba ka jaka jongka joki sipai kapade hapo hard of the city ha aizol adu chispan ru eka kilapan phai yang chaka government of Mizoram dabadan lang dekat u home minister Sri Amit Shah ji tinggal ngalayo ben pej ka tu ngalawat jiktip kalong kiki ka ba pen ketip yang tinggal sodon lat kom MDC hindre ngasngo yo kataka bor bade ka cincin tu pej ba ngalayo no ben likendu yo si am minister ban ngala kerpat u bom keren ka Ministry of Home Affairs buat ka Defense. Nang bakal ka sim procedure ka ba ka Mizoram ka le si lingba ka sarkar jela jongi ka Meghalaya ken le lang. Bali kalong ka kata ka jinglong mo jingmi jonga naman ta ka ni kamadan cricket ka bagi khot it ha ya ka Garrison Ground ha po laban. Kani kamadan kala serve yaki Laban Sports Club adu por wadang hendai. Wat ngaru kendian seng anang kemau menganang yo apan yalit mari step pan le ka football. But kadairu kamadan kabadan history adu kata-kata kaba lesi mo dangi yo biang ya ka la ban pendon kam kata ka jaka ka heritage ka bangin yo pen sngau chikini ki pateng manwan kabaning kong 1947 katu kamadan kala serve ban host Bobam Smai u Gopinath Bordoloi first CM jongka Assam how 72 pare purbayo statehood ka Meghalaya Labam Smai, Captain Williamson ke Sangman, Seng. Di kabalong sultanat bagi Prime Minister untuk kapor dan nang tu ter lalu ki 70s, hadu ki 90s kutu kamadan kala serve, yaki athletes program ki baper berlek ai ki sports ki baper ka football, kamtam kamela ngalesi ki juk jong ki tu ki prapo kandai po ki kemau hai ki mela ki bejolong, abang iyo chong wat ki mo ki helikopter ka ba ki sipai ki ben kre iyo ya drum. Tindal apa ya ki late 90s pada kalong kiki ke basosi ni ibu sipai lastang ban gadbol lastang ban shimti ya ka sukiski bat ya ka bamantahi tengah trai ki present youth kim kemau shu ya ka ni kamadan beri kala susah tang jingya dan tilang tu bamden shu bakmi syapo kampau shu but kala long restricted hadu kata ta ba hi local hi umyo shu ban rong kantai ti ngasmo ba kalong sisa ka ni ka ba mo ka ba kongsan hadu kata ta what kas mo Sunil Gavaskar tu kopor cricketer bapaunam juga ke tim India lawan ban scout yaki player hakade ka madani tika history jongkane kamadan kalong sisa ka bakta bat ka ba long danjing yade haru katata bat kinong song laban bat jongka sorry berkowe te habangi ikum kane kalat ngakam la su ban randin bat ngalayak chkamat ban mo sim ka kabu ban tho cho chief minister ban ngaliyo ban kundu mai la om ban sim kya ban kren ban ka ministry sate ba sutunat kalong ba wat la ka liang ju karen aban ru kala de tho menchwa ti haw arja katra ti hagane ka snem arpo saur ngatrai la de tho lingba MLA badan burang ju kalaban ba sabor sulai dan katlang bat ka cantonment ti habangai i pade kumkane ka kabu bangi i bakala aja ka Mizoram hakane ka benai ka beladep tengah sku mlaksa bangan chibi kane kala habang alik pede ban kundu siam ru la sku tenang kalau ki ka ba ngidoni ka cikerman begin yo beng kane badan bari katkum ka jaka ba henover ka Assam Rifle chaka Mizoram government kadi haru sispan ru eka nilai kate ngamnum jin hiru bang kandon tang chi pho kasan ekaru teda kate kawan phai biang kanlong ka jingmentoy haru kata namanta hi ka sarkar jelabat yakinong suksnong juga sorbat jom ka Meghalaya hi brokowe bat kanong ke ka lat kalenti bangin yo ban play kita ki museum lesi ki ban bo kita ki mo ki information lesi ki jingtip namanta kalawe bat kiti ki banwan namanta bakin yo bakani kamadan kalong sisa ka ba koror kata kalong in the heart of the city kan yarap sibune namanta ka imlang salang ya baru hi kamtam ya kiba dan i kebentajang ke sports
kum shimenta jong ke program CM Connect hagisni palai jong ke tayo menteri rangba ke jala ukon rat ke sangma ulale yuk kejat hagisnong paham jula ke badan hajirang constituency banyak kendu ikipat ba nong shong shong bat ban sungu ya kejing ke bakimat
Kipat ba nong song kapaham jula kawin gisnong kabadang saadian ba kaliang ki kampen roy hak arpu artre kejemang arhajar arpusan kilapen pau kejing kemen kabakrau ya kejing simkia jong menteri rang ba kejela bat UMLA kejirang constituency ban hiar syukne gisnong ban penur long ya kejingdon kami ke boarding elektrik agane gisnong hadin kejing syong dum kabala palat khat prasnami ai la ban kedau ba gisnong paham jula kabadan kumbah nyu ki long jiang Kade kisnong kabala syong dom lapalat kat prasnam ye ketana do kasnam arajar nyo hadin kejing betai jong transformer ban nalor kejing syong dom kane kisnong garang saadien ru naduk ki yang skol ki bapaka ka surok bat ki ki kampen rol. Hakini kejeng hiar jong menteri rangba ukonrat kongkal sangma shikani kishnong belashim kiahi du MLA jirang constituency uba sostenis sotun. Lasenran lang du deputy commissioner ke district Liboy u Abilash Baranwal u project director ke DRDA u Raja Brahma bat ki officer. Habakran kani gesngi uba sostenis sotun kumunong mikmat ke jirang constituency ulepen pau ke jing sngongu bakrau lo ke jing sengap sorkar jela. Ban le ye naga benta kani kishnong belasong ha ke jingdum lapalat kat prasna. Ba sostenis sotun ulai klik gerpang ru ke sorkar jela kabela pai khmat gerpang sya ke jirang constituency. Kabade ke constituency ke basadian bah kini kisnem kiblalai. Nre ha kini kinyo snem kani ke sorkar kelala banwanra yaki kampen roi beper sya kini ke constituency. Nagaliang menteri rangba ukonrat kongkal sangma ulepen pau ke jingkemen baniok penurlong ya kani ke jing angnuat ginong song ka paham jula ke bala song dom kumbakat prasnam bat mat ke jing na kadau bam yo ya ke boarding na duk bela betai transformer ulepen pau ru ba usngo hun shikadai baniok ekalat ban mani kenduk markmat beginong song ka paham jula ban sengap ke jing jongki bat gishnong ki mamarjan menteri rangba ulepen pau bagani ke jing let jong u sha kishnong ki thau dari Shibenta jangka CM Connect Impact kepada ketong ban penyajan ni upat ba bat ke sorkar jela. Hagani kejuk kesngi menteri rangba lembat UMLA ke jirang constituency kelalit ban jurip ru ya ke Nong Spong Garo Government LP School ha ke Shnong Nong Spong ban jurip kini ke school kepala dan pedang ke jing ke bakrau namar ke jing bambiang jong ke yang school bat bagi kena school kilah ban syaru bat uslap namar ke jing jot jong kitin sobiang. Hadirin kejing ekran begina peniat skol konrat kongkal sangma ulah pular ban penbiang kejing dengkam hakane ke skol ban pensup kena skol buat kenang bakane kajaka ai jing hikai kan la ban ai ya kejing hikai ke bapaka na ke benta ke pulih putih jongki kena hakane ke than
Badeng sotun alma simang ni hetman kuanga giseka tong gemak chin metel naska Lalu ya simani ketemu ruuta bersirang na sumedang na simang karen gri bijuli gri simang canggih tangna dangingat. Not just because of the fact that no other chief minister has been here, not because of the fact that most of the officers are not able to reach here, but just because of the fact that I am getting this moment to connect, to meet, and to be with the people of our state in such an interior location and to share their concerns, to share this moment of joy with them, where they have waited for 18 years to receive this transformer. The transformer busted or got burnt in 2007. And for whatever reason, communication gap, they were not able to get the replacement done. Until the local MLA contacted me. Until our friends contacted me. Until the headman contacted me. And it's because of the efforts of these people, especially our local MLA, that today your transformer has been changed and you're finally getting the power supply out here. It's a small but a very, very meaningful and a very happy moment for me. And that is why this moment makes it truly, truly special to be here with the people of this particular village, Paham Jula village in Jirang constituency.
Habang inya beteng biang ye kubor ngin pen ken mauswa ye kemat bakongsan jong kubor mentak tayo. Lum jingalang katanat district council affairs bat ke district council bamla pentre kam ye ke scheme hakija kasor. Betak sorkar ye ke deputy commissioner ban kem ye ke nong Bangladesh bawan rung bean ong ubak prestun tensong. Hapadang ulap ba nyom Menteri rang ba ban kemi ya kejing longjing man hayau tu. Kejing khang ya ka kherdop ka KHEDC kadai babut ya ka an Bomburam ya ka District Council ong Deputy Commissioner. Kem ki pulit ya arngut ki barjala halor kejing keno lumpisa bat kular thok ban penyok kam sipai. Haki hek kesokar pedeng penpau ki kenhuan ke skul bat nihu bam kuak syuk ban wan pai biang Profesor PS Shukla ha ke skul bat. Bat hakawat ke Benengkong yo ke Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Shiklur Tingka na kesokar jela. Kador Barshunong Nong Spung hakas ngibalang jong kata yau kalale ya kendu yau Menteri Katanat Tourism ubak po lingdo bat kala kerpat ban manglem ya kapisa na kabenta ban penne pensa bat pen internet ya kesenong mau sangri kabadai kejaka jongok kai perthai kabakring bha ya kipat bat.
Kador Barshunong Nong Spung hak arpui trigu jemang arjar arpusan kelawan menekendu yau Menteri Katanat jongok kai perthai kejela ubak po lingdo. Ban kentu ke sorkar jela penerap pisan ke bentapan penek pensa bat ben internet ke senong mau sangri kum si bentapan penlong yaka kum ka wei nak jaka jungok kai perthai aga jela ya kena ke kenhuan lelam du MLA ke mau plang constituency uba Matthew Beyond Star Korba haga jingadon lang acting sordar uba John Worthborn Karmendai lembat kiwe di khot jonggador Barshunong uba John Worthborn ulong bakat kum ka khanatang jongathan langit baka mau sangri ke deka kemie jong kelang badu semper kumta ada gejing penne iki kanatang kanerap ban kentiu ya kalariti kabala ban kring iki nong jing okai perthai bat ajing mentoy ginong songsnong haba pen pau ya ki jing mentoy na kum gane ke project wa acting sordar ulong ba gejing penne ba jing peditran ek mau sangri kala ban kring iki nong jing okai perthai kanang banak ban kentiu pat ek yo kekot bat ban plelat ban yo kam yo jam ki pat ba nong songsnong bat kan yarap ha gejing penroy ki kanatang ba ki pateng jongathan ba kala penyarap ban penek pensa ke jing nong tenrai jom ke senong nong spung.
Namenta pengikua makadon kejaka hapo than kejongi po nong spung kata kadai kejaka ba pelang semper ke senong trai balong kum ka yin ke Benengkong te hakba menta ukolang lodon la kejong semper la kejong hendrai ke kemi haduk menta kadon po nong spung kum kita kisien kita pau ba haduk menta makata ke kemi haduk menta kadang jauh man don mau bahaya dia hab tau mau ko kadang mi bet hadu mata dan nalor kita kibun jaga kibun internet hamtam apa area apa hima jungi impat don kita jaga jungoka ke internet tematang iwan pan kerpat se melong minister jongka besem menyerap habide makan ke jing trang jing kuat jungi nalian nasional
kerpat ini ILM की फाइनल असिस्टेंट आके बता बन बने pensa बन internet di tiga jeka ke ba konten ka mau sokri ke wadon profesional nong spung kadon ke khana tang habede berkete ka mau sokri ke ba ki juang kumbala batai do soda pi ba ketika kemi jung kelang ba super ba hakata ka jingya khun jung kelang super dekat hadu mentat ketika mau kami ke jauh mat Singsi kita kecing ekon kejoki kita ketika kecing kekana di hal ti menjaga don ru menjaga kita internet bahasa berbaik nah ketika jaga ngilak bani ya kemau kurwat kendia ngilak bani ya kemairang cepat don ru sowe mau tau bahaya bahwa internet bodoh atraktif bahasa bagi yang dipegang tolong bah kadang terkena kita don demu tau usai senyum dia ketika met kadang halor jung tau mau 10 kilometer nang ta radio pada Sarawak. Di pomu bertat yuta, ke hadu bentar kita kedak ka sin kidan don be, bala dang ilit pet kai nak tiga cika kalau baik tanah pahadu kata kata. Dan don ru sewe mau wang lendok jemcok, dan nak tahu mau ru tanah pahaban pet, bat kijuang ba kijumi kita kisniang nang tahu mau bat kijano. Dekat hadu bentar dan menmir tingilet dang bun bagi kita. Te kadon ru ke ke ba bang habanti te ngiwan mentaban kerpat te minister tolong ba wan ailang ini ke finance assistance penne pensa te cika ngan peni tenat ban kring ya kinong jungok kai perkai bat ba kenang bakan wan ra ya kalap yu kam jam ya kinong song sunong jong te kadong kathan ke jongi bat haraju ke poru kalong ban ka wan ra ya ka cipenne pensa ya kita ki don ki khana ki ba kerpat bat jington ki ding ki ba internet But hatrai jong ta ulum padon kui ke krem. Kata ke ba hendah ki breu no spung lada don meno ba le tam ki juya bread de tep em krem. De kata ki om kot ke krem ba hisen. De kata ke krem lo de menta ka don. De ngi tu ya ki long song snong jong ke jela ba di kinong pet kai ki ba wan na ki we ki jela la ka we ka biru ba kat bangin pat la ban pen internet khamhai te jikaru kinwan ban ye pet kai ya te jaka bat kinra ro ki kubor saki nong pet kai wat la ngimpat penbena perthei te jikaru sim ba kade kade ki ju penbena ba ha kate ke jaka kande ke jaka ka ba internet ba ya kinong pet kai la di kwan pet kai
ya ada lideng lawan jujat hi ke sya ke jaka bi internet kiton ki kla berben kiton ki maulong bahe lang bi internet sya ban pet te kumata sngi ngalaman nyalam lang mat ki kenu ya sapol minister domrom jengi pe jaga tourism kenaikan bat i te la kerpat ba nagaliang jong ngi nagasnong liang jonga kunjuru ini persang gi short DPR matai kendiat kadno sai kan lut ban sna ya taga jaga ban de jo ta ka lenti banyak ceta mereka musna da footpath nak seruk nom long kena khla nom do kali nom le kali nom nya tang de kejat beriu bet tang footpath bet poi terjaga artli lai tili ke batai bae mena de dalam jungi nom simsu report in start no ina dan kamru ka videografi kena ba kan insutu ya i minister kena ban illa ba sanction ya kata ka project unta joka nong spung konstitusi nong spung kesong nong spung hangte misna ta big point bitna kena bagi turis ru kinwan jualem ye ka than jimi hangte pon nong spung
Hakasi balang jong katayo Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Kesangma ula play ya kesurak Hubert Rosario Road Haspen Mokaswan Hawes Janta Hills kaban mi Shah Hubert Acupressure Center.
Haga jing play ya kesurak kebatamai kabadan iway point iway lai kilometer haga jing lut kabalong iway point kendai lai klor tengka laidon lang sembut Menteri Rangba Kejala basniaw balangdar u Archbishop Kejala Nembak Shillong u Most Reverend Victor Lendo nangta u Bishop Ferdinand Dekar jaka Jawai Diocese u MLA Kejawai uba Wailat Muki Shila ki head officer jaka penat PWD bagian yang Shnong abakran ke jingelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma u long bakane ke surak kabala ai keteng ke Hubert Rosario Road kalau bendek projek ke iway point kendai lai klot tengka aga jeng mang pisa ndo ye uhi kalong ke bom dor namar kakta apa de jeng em kam tambe ik tu bapang bele iwat ik jeng sumar bat ki sister ki batre met bat mensim lai jeng sumar ulong bahap reng jong sedem chajar kendai spa kendai puai bat arazar katra ka jeng mang tengka jeng shnai ki surok aga jala kalong ndo spa san kendai klot tengka datang hakim ki news nam kibladon ke jeng mang tengka kalong hado saw hajar klot tengka Udah tu ro bakum bah nyopon nak sispa jong bro surok blasna lengba ka PMGSY hagjela kidi ke blasna pendak bagi bisnem. Menteri Rangba ula pentip bro baka Rural Health Center kum ka Hubert Acupressure Center kedai ke belapen kreak menta berkentup no hagawat ke bansawan banyo ke gran nak sarkar jela badu ong baka sarkar jela kala shimikarai ben kersha ne gajing ajing sumar tenrai ki bedan hakal leng jong ka jela.
A lot of people were asking me, sir, this is a very small road, about 1.9 crores. Therefore, it might not suit Chief Minister going and inaugurating this road, because there are many big roads and big projects that you need to inaugurate. But then I told them two things. I said nothing is too small and nothing is too big. This project may be a 1.9 crore project. But what is important about this project
is the lives that it touches, the difference that it makes in the people's lives. Hundreds and hundreds of people, and especially those who are in pain, who are suffering, will benefit from this project. So if you ask me, this is far more important than any 100, 200,000 crore projects that we do, because of the fact that it touches lives. For us as a government to be able to succeed and to create that impact, we need to work with community, we need to work with society, we need to work with our different leaders, especially our religious leaders, especially our traditional leaders. So therefore, these are the two reasons why I chose to come here on this program. And I must thank all the individuals who have been involved in making this project a possibility. That from 2018, or rather let me start with 1991, from 1991 to 2018, 659 crores of road projects were sanctioned. 1991 to 2018, 659 crores. And from 2018 to 2025, 4,000 crores has been sanctioned. So that is the kind of focus that we have. In the last 7 years, if you look at the PMGSY scheme and the roads, 70% of all PMGSY roads since the beginning of PMGSY till today, 70% of the roads have been made in the last 7 years. So that is what the importance of road is. And as you are aware, Deputy CM has told you that now one of the biggest projects, a 24,000 crore express highway, is coming up in Meghalaya, connecting Guwahati all the way to Silchar. And let me share with you that we had a discussion with the Honorable Minister. This is the first express highway in the hill area. Throughout the country, no project has been taken up as express highway. I hope you understand, express highway means you have to travel at 80 kilometers per hour.
Kum shibenta banyale ban kershani ki hospital ki bala pinya ki missionary ki badan hakaleng ke jalla hakisi balang jong katayo ke soka jalla kala ajing aram shiklor tengka ya ke Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Hajawai lengba ke Meghalaya Healthcare Advancement Policy MHAP.
Haga arpui terek ujemang arhajar arpusan. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula IT shiklor tengka hakawat ke peningkong hapo ka Meghalaya Healthcare Advancement Policy ya ke Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital bari kepisah ke badang sa shiklor an sepelat hadian beladap ban IT ya ke utilization certificate beladap penperekam ya ke shiklor tengka ke balayo hakawat ke peningkong. Ya kini kejingelang lepenya du Reverend S. Lamaria hakabledon lang i Dr. Dinong Plo ibadai ka Medical Superintendent bat kiwe-kiwe. Ukonrat Kongkal Sangma ulong bakanya kambe satya kejing ajing yarap kebatang sisian. Mereka dari tang kejing sedang ya kebaan penek syirta ya kejing terilang. Ulong bakanya ke skim kalong kebayar bat ke hospital kila aban syemhi ya karai kumno bat pendan kami kena kepisa kat kum kejing snow jongki. Ula penting bro bagajela kalala ban penduna da sau pesan ke cispa ya kejing klat jong kilong kemi ke armet hakabedai baga national average. Bat ulong bakanya kelas seiso kadai namar kisinjam kum ka CM Safe Motherhood Scheme. Keba penti kena ban kemi ibnia yang manla kilong kemi kiba armet kibadan keleng kibenta ke jela. Menteri Rangba ulia turu bak sarkar jela kala pendan kam ya kikor kibor ke jok kebamenta bat budian rengkat bat keba kemi ibnia ek rukam pun kon kibadan pedang kejingma bat bancum kia mardor akapor kebabiang.
each one of us. Oh, it's glorious. You will know how to let it ring out as you discover who you are. Others around you.
That Meghalaya is the highest spender in the health sector compared to any other state in the country. We spend 8% of our budget on health. And through that, in the last 7 years, most of the government infrastructure, large investments have been made to improve it. A lot more needs to be done. I'm not saying that we are done, or I'm not saying that we have achieved everything. Absolutely not. It's a very long journey. But we have been able to improve the overall infrastructure at the grassroots level. That Meghalaya has or had the highest maternal mortality rate. We were in 230 plus. For those who don't know what that means 230 deaths per lakh. And the national average in 2018 was 113 when we took over, which means we were double the national average. And at that point in time when I took over, the first question that came to my mind is that this is absolutely not acceptable. A mother is bringing life to this world. And if we have to lose the mother's life while she brings life into this world, I think it's one of the most saddest things. And that's when our journey to fight maternal mortality started.
Te paralog baro na kitu kubor ngila pois ke bakut jong thup kubor jong imenta ke janmet in se syambyang bat pi la syam tayo kublai shipu.